Welcome to EDU World Space.
Question 12. The economy of Elmendyn contains $2,001 bills. So question A, if people hold all money as currency, what is the quantity of money? So this is the easiest question. So the quantity of money is just $2,000 because they are $2,001 bills. Okay, B, if people hold all money as demand deposits and banks maintain 100% reserves, what is the quantity of money? So if we draw a tiny T-bill here, we know that the deposit is 200 and the reserve is 100%, so the reserve side is also $2,000. So the quantity of money is just 2,000 because the quantity of money is cash plus demand deposit. So here the demand deposit is 2,000 while cash is 0. Okay, C, if people hold equal amounts of currency and demand deposits and banks maintain 100% reserve, so what is the quantity of money? Okay, so now people hold the same amount of cash and reserves. So now cash is 1,000 and they decide to deposit another 1,000 they have into the bank. So this is 1,000 here. And also the reserve ratio is 100%. So on the left hand side, we also write 1,000. So what is the quantity of money? Is cash plus this deposit, which is also 2,000. All right. Question D. If people hold, I'll use color black here. If people hold all money as demand deposits and banks maintain a reserve ratio of 10%, so which is like similar to the B case, but now the reserve ratio is 10%. So on the right hand side, it is deposit as what it used to be in question B, but the reserve ratio now is only 10%. So 10% out of 2,000 is 200. So the loan it can lend out to other people is 1,800. And then if the other bank also loan this number out, so it creates multiplier. A money multiplier is just 1 divided by the reserve ratio. So the money multiplier here is 10. So the total money created by this on and on deposit and loan thing is going to be this number times 10, which is $20,000 is the quantity of money in this question. Okay, question E. If people hold equal amounts of currency and demand deposits and banks maintain a reserve of 10%, so what is the quantity of money? So this question is similar to C, while on the other hand, so what is similar here is that we know we have this 1,000 cash. But on the other hand, the deposit injected into the economy will be multiplied by 10, which is the money multiplier. So this number multiplied by 10 is 10,000. So the total quantity of money is going to be the sum of these two, which is $11,000. So comparing all these sub-questions, we know that the more people deposit in the bank and the higher the money multiplier is, the larger quantity of money it creates, it injected into the economy.